How to fix Telegram app problem. So if you have any problem with your Telegram, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, as you can see, scroll until you find Telegram and then click on it. And after that, click on force stop, click on storage, click on clear cache, go to data users, disable the roaming data and background data, and then make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and the mobile data also. And after that, go back to the settings on your phone, click on this wireless and networks, click on Wi-Fi, disable it, and after 10 seconds enable it again. And the last thing you want to do now is just restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.